Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Well, I hope everybody's having a relaxing, certainly happy and healthy Memorial Day weekend so far. Our forecast is pretty much cooperated for most of the weekend, too. That's the good news. And we did see a cold front come through late last night into early this morning. Didn't really bring a whole lot of rain. In fact, only actually dropped just most of the rain up around Portland. However, what we have seen for most of the day today is a bit of a cooler forecast. Some of the cooler air starting to spill in. That'll be the case along with some pretty unsettled weather coming up over the next couple. Let's head outside to the Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep. But first, I want to show you what we've got outside in terms of the temperatures. Very comfortable for this late afternoon. 66 in Corvallis, sitting just above that here in Eugene. A little cooler, but still sunny out towards Newport and Florence at 59. 64 out to Bend, 70 in Roseburg. Nice refreshing break for folks in the Umpqua. They were dealing with temperatures in the 80s yesterday, but look what is out there. Big area of low pressure. Nice little Cinnabon basically looking thing here. It's going to be heading south and kind of drifting its way through the state. Now, we've made some adjustments on this. Computer models originally had that going south and towards southern Oregon. This is actually moving its way in towards northern Oregon. So that is going to put parts of the Willamette Valley and I think down to the south coast and the Umpqua in a chance for some thunderstorms as we head into the next couple of days. 72 the high today, so still in the 70s, a little above average, but still fairly comfortable. Certainly aided by that 55 start, and you can see the 24-hour rainfall total only about a trace at 1/100ths of an inch. 72 in Corvallis today. 75 in the Dow, 61 in Newport, a little warmer down to Medford at 80, and a comfortable 75 in Roseburg for this afternoon. Overnight tonight, we'll keep temperatures a little cooler as well. Started in the mid-50s this morning, probably get down to the mid to upper 40s and just a little bit of cloud cover. But here's what we're going to be watching. A couple of ingredients that we're watching here as this low heads southward. We'll get a good little push of southwesterly winds. You get a little bit of instability in the atmosphere as the sunshine kind of warms the air up at the surface, and you stir it all up with this low. And that makes for a chance for some thunderstorms, mainly across parts of the mountains, both days, tomorrow and Wednesday. Coast could see a couple of forming tomorrow. I think as the low moves overhead by Wednesday, that's when inland areas might have their best shot to see a couple of late afternoon poppers. So this is what we'll be looking at. Again, you can see the coverage a little more scattered tomorrow, becomes a little more widespread as the low moves through as we head in towards Wednesday afternoon. And then eventually we'll see all of that scoot eastward and we'll start to dry out once again as we head in towards the back end of this week. So partly sunny. We'll go for an isolated afternoon to evening shower for tomorrow along the coast. Might even see a thunderstorm sneak in through there. The Umpqua Basin, partly cloudy, mild. I don't think it'll be that much of an effect in terms of the low getting there tomorrow. More chances for Wednesday of seeing a few isolated thunderstorms pop up. We'll see it for the Cascades the next couple of days. Temperatures on the cooler side too, 40s and mid to low 40s. Isolated late storm for Central Oregon. Otherwise, a fairly decent looking afternoon and partly cloudy with a couple of isolated showers. They may be real spotty out in the foothills, but I'm going to keep a mention of them in there. For the coast, we'll see the same thing on Wednesday and then Thursday into Friday, slowly getting the clouds to move out of the way. We're back into the mid-60s and drier forecast by the weekend. The Umpqua, 72 tomorrow. Could see a couple of afternoon thunderstorms popping on Wednesday, and then it's back to upper 70s to low 80s as we approach the weekend. The Cascades, we'll see not only a chance for thunderstorms, Matt, but we'll be mixing in a little bit of wet, kind of slushy snow at around 5,000 feet. And then afternoon highs jumping back into the low 60s. And for us here in the valley, kind of cool, a little below average in the mid 60s for the next couple of days. A little unsettled as well. And then as we go to Thursday and Friday, we're back up into the upper 70s. So just a quick hitter and then back to sunny and dry.
All right.